After its long tussle with the governor over the Lok Ayukt, now the Gujarat government is locked in a dispute with the opposition over the amendments in the Lok Ayukt bill. The Congress is alleging that Narendra Modi's government is out to dilute the provisions of the Lok Ayukt, calling it an attempt to weaken the anti-corruption body.
It's the next round of long-standing fight between Gujarat Chief Minister and Governor Kamla Beniwal over the Lok Ayukt issue. Following the 2-year-long judicial tussle between Gujarat government and governor over appointment of state Lok Ayukt in 2011, which the Gujarat government apparently lost. They're now set to bring in crucial amendments to Lok Ayukt bill in the state assembly.
Easily, the Modi government is fighting back on the issue of Lok Ayukt. Having lost its case in the Supreme Court, it is now planning to bring an amendment in the law that would vest all powers over Lok Ayukt selection firmly in the government camp.
Among major amendments is the power to appoint Lok Ayukts. Gujarat government wants that this decision should be taken by a selection committee to be headed by the Chief Minister. But the opposition is alleging that these amendments will make Lok Ayukts a toothless body, and it's ready to fight a pitched battle on the floor of the House.
लोकायुक्त बनाने का प्रावधान सोचा है जिसमें राज्य की जो हाई कोर्ट है उसका चीफ जस्टिस और गवर्नर का रोल ही न रहे, तो ऐसा वो लोकायुक्त अपॉइंट करना चाहते हैं जो मुख्यमंत्री के चहीते हो.
What they are going to do, we don't know. But the mentality by itself is very clear कि जिस तरीके से और जिस प्रोसेस से वो लाया जा रहा है, it is to be highly criticized.
But with Gujarat government ready with its proposals, it is set to be a fiery session in Gujarat Assembly. Bureau Report, Times Now.